This is so cool.
I kind of want to keep going further up though.
I can't believe I've never done this before.
I'm going to go further up.
Welcome back to the channel, guys.
And welcome if you're new.
Yes, to the new people.
Let's go.
So, if you remember in our video about the smelter tower, Ballycorus Leadmines, we said that there's tunnels somewhere, but we weren't too sure where they were.
Insert clip here.
Supposedly the tunnel still exists somewhere, but I don't know where. Somewhere in the wood, like this obviously was the tunnel. Here.
Just follow it.
But into the gorse and get stuck. But a friend of ours actually watched our video and texted us to let us know that he had found them. He had found them only a couple of days previous, I think. So he let us know where they were, and because it's only down the road, we're gonna go back up and see if we can find them ourselves, because we've never seen them. So let's get going.
We're on the way back up. We're gonna go look for the tunnels this time though, instead of just the smelter itself. Think we'll find them?
I reckon so.
I think we can find them.
We'll get lost, but it'll be fun.
So we have a torch for the dark too, so this should be interesting. Bet you get trapped in it.
Oh yeah, no doubt.
That'd be funny, yeah.
Really bad luck.
Oh well, see you then. So here's where the tunnels supposedly go to. So what we were told was go down into the bushes and keep to the left. So there's a pathway over here. Let's check this out. Pathway over here. I'm gonna find it. I am gonna find it and I'm gonna jump into it. And I'm probably gonna break my legs. But that'll be fun. What do you reckon, Leah? I reckon we're gonna get into it and we're probably gonna fall and break my legs, but it'll be alright.
Could there be an entrance at the end of it? So we're currently standing on top of the tunnels, but we just don't know how to get into them. Yeah. Trying to figure it out. So the tunnels, they obviously came from like down the hill where they were mining and then brought them to the flue tower up there.
Turns out we're not the only ones actually looking for this entrance. There's a group of people there out kind of hiking, or I overheard them talking about it. And I was like, yeah, we're looking for it too.
One of them said that she found it a few weeks ago, but she can't remember where. So
they're looking for it as well.
They're busy looking for it too, yeah.
So we said we'd give them a shout if we find it, and they'll do the same for us.
They're harder to find than we thought they would be.
Yeah, I thought it was just going to be a big hole in the ground.
We've just been signalled by that group. They're like waving at us and go, we found them! So we're going to go down there because I'm assuming they found the entrance, which was nice. Ow! I got strung. It was nice of them though. So we're going to go do that.
Cue the Indiana Jones music.
Will we get into the tunnel?
Oh yeah, no. Bottles and everything down here. There's another entrance up further.
Is there?
Yeah. Well, there's light coming in from further.
I'm only little. Oh, there's a ledge. Oh my god.
This is cool. Kind of reminds me of the alleyway caves.
only.
Go watch the video.
Only problem is you definitely need a torch if you want to walk up it, because it's very hard to see the ground underneath you, and there's loads of rocks and stuff.
Loads of rocks. Leave them there.
Oh yeah, thanks.
This is actually like something out of Indiana Jones.
Like, if you walked over that part up there, you'd like, easily fall in.
This is actually like Indiana Jones. Look at this, like.
Oh my god.
I'm literally basically down on my hunkers here trying to get through this. Halfway up where I was walking to.
Oh really?
Yeah. There's an actual walking entrance here.
No idea where we were actually going. We came from down there. And Lee's bringing me God knows where, and I'm getting stung because I'm only wearing light leggings. This is so cool.
I kind of want to keep going further up though.
I can't believe I've never done this before.
I'm going to go further up.
So, I'm going to pop my head out just to show you. Oh, well, maybe I'm not because there's gorse.
Well, half blocked off, yeah. Okay, so we actually came out exactly where I said I was looking to go to. Exactly where I said I was looking to go to.
I literally feel like I'm going through a jungle. So those tunnels that we were in, they were basically built as a transport tunnel to bring the lead up to the flue tower, like the smelter tower that we were at in the last video. But they're pretty cool. Like they're still they're still standing and stuff. It's pretty cool to see. So I'm sure a lot of people who have done the smelter tower and done the walk, the cargo go and walk, I'd say you probably have found the tunnels.
Yeah.
But if you've not, so basically start walking down from the smelter tower as if like the doorway, just keep walking down.
You come to like a quarry kind of thing.
Go to the left, go through some trees, like there's a pathway.
There's a beaten trail there for you.
You'll definitely find it. It's pretty easy to find once you know where it is.
Just follow the beaten trail and you'll get to it.
I don't think we would have found it by ourselves though. Well, we probably would have. It would have just taken a lot longer than we expected. But yeah, it is. It's if the people who helped us find it are watching the video, shout out to you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Real MVPs.
We're going back to it now to go back at the other entrance just to see where it ends.
Because we only went one way, we didn't go the other.
But yeah, it's so cool to see that like the arches of the stones and stuff that are still there. Like obviously there's a lot that's knocked down and stuff, but
some of it looks like it's about to fall on your head.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Oh, there's more caves down here. More tunnels down here. Yeah. More tunnels, let's go. Jesus Christ, it's actually like Indiana Jones. I'm just waiting for the big boulder to come and smash me. Ah, here, this one's only for kids, I can't get through this. Look, I'm on me hunkers now.
So I feel like this is a tunnel, just the roof has come off it. Yeah. Interesting. Will we turn around?
As much as I'd love to go down, the bag's gonna stop me.
Whew. So
Shaggy said it wasn't me.
We found more tunnels, but the problem is they're very hard to get through. It's the side walls, but the roof isn't there. Further down there is like an actual tunnel you can go into, but it's very small and we're not very small people. So we're gonna walk down beside it and see if there's like an entrance at the end that we can get into them. No, maybe there's not actually.
Yeah, no, there's no way down.
There's no way down. But it's pretty. Literally,
Let's say if we search for long enough, we find entrance stuff, but
like honestly, I think I've got stung. I think that's gonna be the highlight of the video for people. Watch you get stung.
In the comment section, count how many times you heard Leah say,
It hurts. I'm only wearing light leggings, see? Lee's wearing tracksuit bottoms.
Is Lee's intelligent?
Lee's intelligent. Yeah. So this is how far down we are from the smelter. So we are like down the hill quite a bit.
Oh, but yeah.
But it's definitely worth checking out. So we made it back up to the smelter tower. And I'm really glad we came back because the tunnels are actually pretty amazing. Like.
I never knew you were there.
I'd heard about them, but I'd never... There's so many times as a kid I came up here and I went down that way and I just didn't look or find tunnels. I just didn't know they were there at the time, I suppose. But definitely, if you're up at the smelter tower, definitely make your way down to the tunnels. They're definitely worth seeing.
Looks like it's turning.
Definitely.
Come to the fork in the road again. This time I know where we're going though.
Hello there.
The turn after that?
Just a little bit. We found them.
Yeah, we're pretty happy that we found those tunnels. So yeah, it's definitely somewhere if you're up here, go to the tunnels. And if you've not watched our other video on the smelter tower, which you probably should have at the beginning of this, but if you've not, go watch it now.
As always, like,
Oh,
subscribe, notifications.
we did it the wrong way that time. That was weird.
Yeah, it's alright though.
I know. I'm just saying. Ooh. Thanks for watching the video, guys. We will see you in the next one.